How to change roaming settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change roaming settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and then scroll down. Here you will find mobile network. Click on it and then click mobile data, and here you will find data roaming, and here you can enable it or disable it, and that's it. It's easy. Here you can change roaming settings, and that's it. Just manage anything you want and then go back, it will be saved. And that's how to change roaming settings on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.